Well, yeah, it's awesome work, but I still can't afford it. No.
Hi, so today we're gonna talk about the top 3 reasons why aggregate demand is downward sloping. So
Wait, but I kind of understand, but at least can you show me something?
Mo ni iPhone. Induto ani ay. Go. Ng features ani ay.
Hello sir, mapalit kay iPhone sir?
Ay kana. Oh, lahat ako mapalit. Pila din ito. Palit din iPhone.
Tag 30k ng 5 sir.
Ang kanin siyang gamay.
Ang 4 kay mga 20.
20.
So gamay ra kayo ang diferensya na sir. Mas prefer na akong bago sir.
Ang bag-ugit kani ang 5 ang bago. 30k ni no? Aha. Balik lang ko.
Sige sir.
Thank you. 30k. 30k. Asa man ko aning 30k? Uy, muadto na lang kog bangko.
Le Bangko.
Good morning, sir. Sa akong mabuhat mo karon.
Good morning, Mulon. Ako, Manik.
So, pila man mo, sir?
25k.
25. Ito na nga po, sir. Pwede perme lang diri. Sir.
Perma to. Check.
Sige, sir. Salamat sa muhang signature, sir.
Yes.
Kuha na sa oras kwarta ko niya, ha? Sir, salamat sa muhang.
Thank you. Excuse me, napatan yung iPhone?
Oh sir, sakto ra gid sir. Kana na gyud nabilin sir.
Gani?
Oh.
Na gini siya.
Yes sir.
Nice. So, 30k to, no?
Oo.
Sige, ako na yung kuhan. Mahotda niya ako.
Sige.
Yes, nanagi ko yung iPhone.
Hello? Bago cellphone no? No?
Kaya sa pag-cellphone, no?
Ay, bay, wag ko.
Grabe.
Duta cellphone no?
Uy, alalim ka, wag ko ni ka, daw kasi mana, para lang gidani.
So the second thing is the interest rate effect. So when the prices of certain commodity is service skyrockets, it will push the interest rate higher. So this in turn results to consumers reducing their spending capabilities due to higher costs of borrowing. As the price level of the products rises, so consumers require more money as to handle their daily transactions. So
Sir, palit ka bag, sir? Tag 5k ra, sir, oh.
Duta ani ay.
Oh, sindot kayo siya, sir. Yan kay quality, sir, oh. Ikapon pa nimo, gahi kaayo, sturdy kaayo.
Tagpila din eh.
Tag 5k na siya, sir.
Ano tag 5k? Namoy mas barato ani.
Mas barato pag yun?
Oo.
Sige, kadit lang, ha.
Sige.
Kanin, sir, mas barato pa niya siya compare na nila duha.
Ano ni good sad ni?
Oo. Okay na, sir, dito siya, sir, oh. Gahi, put siya, sturdy kaayo.
Tagpila din.
Tag 4k na ni siya, sir.
Tag 4k. Sige, paano na ako?
Sige.
Okay. Hindi ay, anong barato ni? Tapos, asa ni gikan?
Oh, asa mo man day, sir? China.
the net export effects. When the prices of locally manufactured goods go up, most consumers tend to buy imported goods at cheaper prices. This means the demand for imported goods increases due to the increase in the prices of domestic goods and products as compared to the foreign products.
Laptop bro. Go. Suya sa mo laptop, boy. Uy, suyaan ako ana, uy.
Yeah, okay na. Wala good na good. Ganahan gani. Pag baligyan ako nimo tag 10 mil ra.
Sure, dismil ra gyud.
Taghan ko gani sa balay ko.
Sige, ako na na, be. 10k ra man ka.
Sige. Bye.
Bago na, sad.
Kani? Wala ra ni. Bago ra gyud palit good.
So, first thing is the wealth effect. So, when the prices of commodities goes up, the wealth of the country goes down or it declines since the purchasing power of the money reduces. As consumers' wealth decreases, their purchasing power in goods or services will reduce. When the price of commodities and services go down, the purchasing power of money will increase. So, the wealth and income effect therefore clearly explains one of the most crucial reasons as to why the curve slopes downwards. So,
Bye.